so this is now 2 weeks after a revision lumbar decompression and stabilisation. So we put that stabiliser in, and there you are, feeling kind of mobile. And how do you feel in terms of your posture? If I can just see you.
It's clearly, I mean, I was stooped over before, so I'm clearly
straight
upright
now.
In fact, when I bend forward, it's more painful than
then,
actually being upright.
upright.
You know, when I do that, I
makes a
feel
big
it
difference.
here. As soon as I stand up properly,
straight,
it's less painful.
Anything down your legs?
Nothing.
No numbness, weakness?
No.
Can I just see you kind of squat a little? Excellent, and straight up.
I haven't done any bending or stretching.
It's only been 2 weeks since the operation, and you were walking 1 mile in the first week, and now 2 miles.
Yeah.
This is superb.
We've got some land, you see, so we can walk on our own.